I'm ready to spook everyone on the bus. You can't spook me or I'll cast a spell on you.
Come on, Monster Munchkins. Let's head to Halloween Town.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through Halloween Town. The witch on the bus goes. The witch on the bus goes all through Halloween Town. I spy a vampire on the bus. Hey, who you calling a vampire? The vampire on the bus goes. The vampire on the bus goes all through Halloween Town. Look, Mommy is now Mummy.
The mummy on the bus goes. Mummy, mummy, mummy. The mummy on the bus goes. Mummy. All through Halloween Town.
Look out! Hey, who's doing all that clattering? Oh, it's them bones! Look! The skelly on the bus goes. The skelly on the bus goes all through Halloween Town. The pumpkin on the bus goes.
Light me up, light me up, light me up.
The pumpkin on the bus goes.
Light me up.
All through Halloween Town.
Gee, thanks.
Thank you for the light, pumpkin. We can see all the spooks now.
How do you do?
The monsters on the bus go.
Ooga booga boo, ooga booga boo, ooga booga boo.
The monsters on the bus go.
Ooga booga boo,
all through Halloween Town.
ooga boo.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through Halloween Town. All through Halloween Town. Cha-cha-cha. Oh, look at the bunny and the piggy. Hi, everybody. Welcome to our very first pet show. And have we got a show for you? Yay! Do you have a pet? A happy little pet? A furry little pet? Or two? I do. A dog? A cat? A piggy? A piggy? A pet that loves just you. Yeah! I have a pet. A happy little pet. A furry little pet. A mutt. Pets are our best friends. They love no matter what. Step right up, sir. Introducing the greatest pet in all the land. Wookie! Yay! My pet is kind of funny. His nose is kind of runny. He loves to run and play. Go fetch. Thanks, buddy. Wookie, catch the ball. Wookie, here's a ball. Wookie, you're the best. I'm so glad that we took you home. Yeah. Sometimes pets are silly when asking for a hug. They'll cuddle up and knock you down, but that's how they show their love. Do you have a pet? I do. A happy little pet? A furry little pet? Or two? Or five? A pup? A mouse? A bunny? A pet that loves just you? And me too? I have a pet. A happy little pet? A furry little pet? I do. Pets are our best friends. They love us through and through. Hi, everybody. This is my kitty cat, Cuddles. Say hi, Cuddles. Kitty, here's some string. Wanna play a game? My kitty loves to cuddle. That's how she got her name. I have a little bunny. She's soft and sweet and white. I feed her bits of lettuce. She takes itty bitty bites. Oh, look at the bunny. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you have a pet? A happy little pet? A furry little pet or two? A dog, a cat, a bunny, a pet that loves just you. I have a pet, a happy little pet, a furry little pet, I do. Pets are our best friends, they love us through and through. Pets are our best friends, they love us through and Thanks, everybody! Yeah! Oh, look! A bug! Yeah, a creepy, crawly one. Here! Ew! Bugs, bugs, bugs. Creepy, crawly bugs. Ew! Up over the ceiling and down under the rug. Yeah! Bugs, bugs, bugs. Creepy, crawly bugs. Up over the ceiling and down under the rug. They make me go achoo, achoo, all day and night. Achoo, achoo. I'm really scared of them. Achoo, 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 achoo. They make me go achoo, achoo, all day and night. Achoo, achoo. I'm really scared of them. Achoo, 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 achoo. Ew! Look at that! Ew, it has big eyes. Bugs, bugs, bugs. Bigger baby bugs. Crawling here and there. Under the chair. Bugs, bugs, bugs. Bigger baby bugs. Crawling here and there. Quick, under the chair. They make us go ew, ew. All day and night. Ew, 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 ew. We're really scared of them. Ew, wee, ew, ew, ew. They make us go ew, ew. All day and night. Ew, 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 ew. We're really scared of them. Ew, wee, ew, ew, ew. Ew, yeah. I'm not laughing. Ew. Bugs, bugs, bugs. Bugs. Teeny weeny bugs. Ew. Jumping up and down all over the town. Bugs, bugs, bugs. Uh-oh. Teeny weeny bugs. Jumping up and down all over the town. Let's make them go shoo, 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 shoo. All day and night. Shoo, 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 shoo. We are not scared of them. Shoo, 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 shoo. They make us go shoo, 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 shoo. All day and night. Shoo, 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 shoo. We are not scared of them. Shoo, 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 shoo. Yeah. Now you just behave yourself, little bugs. Yeah, quit it. Now that's funny. Yeah.
Okay, who wants to help me make ice cream? Nobody? Where did everybody go?
Over here.
Oh dear, oh dear, what's happened over here? The paints are on the floor and everything is smeared. Oh my, oh my, oh me, oh me, oh my. Please clean this up. It's a real pigsty.
Okay, Mommy. Yes. Oh, yes. My favorite word is yes. Me too. Yes is very happy. It brings out the very best. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. My favorite word is yes. Yes is just so happy. It brings out the very best. I like saying yes.
Oh, Wookie, what's the matter? Are you hungry? Oh dear, what's happened over here? Wookie's very hungry, I think he's made it clear. Oh me, oh my, oh me, oh me, oh my. Would someone please come feed him so Wookie doesn't cry?
Oh, Wookie! Yes! Oh, yes! My favorite word is yes. Yes is very happy. It brings out the very best. Yes, 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 yes! Oh, yes! My favorite word is yes! Yes is just so happy. It brings out the very best. That's what I always say.
What's your favorite word?
I bet you'll never guess. Is it no? No, silly. Okay, now wait for it. I think I know. You know what? It's yes!
Oh dear, oh no! My baby's played with dough, and now your hands are dirty, so clean them up, let's go! Okay. There's no more time to play. It's time to eat, so wash your hands, and please do as I say.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, oh yes! Our favorite word is yes. Yes is very happy. It brings out the very best. Yes, oh yes!
Can you say it?
Yes! I can say it.
So can you!
Yes, 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 yes! Yes, 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 yes!
What a bunch of sillies.
Yes, sirree, Bob! Wait, who's Bob?
Smelly Ellie, you young lady need a bath.
Oh boy, it's bubble bath time! I'm so excited! They call me Smelly Ellie because I need a bubble bath. But secretly I love to stink because bubbles make me laugh.
You stink, you silly girl.
Mommy runs the water and tips the magic tin.
Here we
The
go.
bath is filled with foaming hills. That's where I come
In
in.
the tub, Joey.
Bubbles on my belly, bubbles on my chin, bubbles on my elbows. I got bubbly skin. Bubbles on my nose, bubbles on my chin. Oh, bubbles on my tippy toes. I got bubbly skin. Look at all those bubbles. It tingles, then it disappears. It makes me smell so sweet. Mama says
You smell divine while you're good enough to eat.
I smell
My
good.
young girl.
Look, I made a crocodile with sudsy floppy ears. A bearded lady with a hat. It's so much fun in here. Bubbles on my belly, bubbles on my chin, bubbles on my elbows. I got bubbly skin. Oh, bubbles on my nose, bubbles on my chinny chin chin, bubbles on my tippy toes. I got bubbly skin.
Yes, you do.
Bubbles are so silly.
Little nut.
When bubble time is over, I put my PJs on and snuggle up with Joey, all clean and fresh and warm. My daddy reads a story. Once upon a slime, a brother and a sister loved our bubble time. Bubbles up our noses,
Yep.
bubbles on our chins, bubbles on our tippy toes. We've got bubbly skin. Bubbles on my nose, bubbles on my chin, bubbles on our tippy toes. We've got bubbly skin.